To refinish a bathtub or a sink, you're gonna need this toughest tile, uh, bathtub kit. You're gonna need the mask. You need some tape to tape the faucet, the drain, and the handles. So this kit comes with steel wool. It comes with this product so you can clean the bathtub. It comes with two brushes, paint brushes, and some gloves. So one paintbrush for each coat. So what you do is you need to make sure that the bathtub is nice and clean and dry. So this one I've already applied the first coat to, but I had to clean it super good with that steel wool and make sure it's nice and clean. There is no debris in there and it's nice and dry. So you're gonna start applying. This is very thick and it smells very strong. So make sure the area is well ventilated. And just make sure you go in small sections. And then if you have some drops, some paint drops, make sure you go over it. So this is what the bathtub looked like before we started this process, and this is what it looks like now. Make sure to hit the like and the follow button for more home improvement tip videos.